Hello, I'm Brandon Rick with Stover Controls. Today I'll be talking about the pains associated with using a butterfly valve in the SERP line, and how the PCS17 Knife Gate Valve by Emerson can be a simple and effective solution to these problems. Butterfly valves have been the valve of choice for SERP line applications for many years. By speaking with customers in the field, we have seen how the butterfly valves on SERP lines can cause headaches for your plant's operations and maintenance. Let's look at a few of these pains. The number one problem we hear about is butterfly valves that can no longer close all the way due to syrup buildup around the valve disc. Looking at this butterfly valve that was pulled from a syrup line, you can see how syrup is hardened around the points of closure. Over time, this buildup becomes significant that the valve is unable to completely shut. This leaves you with a leaking syrup line as well as maintenance and safety issues. In addition to buildup, preventing complete valve closure, we have also seen how syrup can clog butterfly valves. Hardened chunks of syrup have been known to break loose and get carried downstream. This chunk then gets caught by a downstream butterfly valve and causes blockage, reducing or stopping the flow of syrup. The third issue is the regular maintenance required on butterfly valves due to syrup buildup. Hydro-cleaning syrup lines when butterfly valves are installed is possible. The problem is you can't fully clean a butterfly valve this way. During a hydro clean, the cleaning head passes through the valve but is only able to pass through one side of the valve disc, leaving the other side untouched. This is why many times the solution to a clogged butterfly valve is to remove and replace the valve, an expensive and time-consuming process. So why are there so many headaches with butterfly valves on the SERP line? The reason for these issues is due to the design of the butterfly valve. The butterfly disc is permanently situated within the SERP line and controls the flow of syrup by swiveling open and closed. Because of the permanent in-line location, the disc is in constant contact with the flow of syrup, causing the eventual syrup buildup. When clogged with syrup, the inline disc prevents thorough cleaning, resulting in the need for complete valve replacement. Now that we've discussed the pains associated with butterfly valves and SERP lines, let's discuss how the PCS17 Knife Gate Valve can be a simple solution with a big impact on SERP lines. First, let's talk about the design of the PCS17. The key difference when comparing against a butterfly valve is that the control surface of the PCS17 fully rises out of the flow path of your process. The gate of the valve is only in line when it is in closed position. This creates the key advantage of the knife gate valve. The control mechanism is not permanently in line. Constant contact with syrup is what leads to hardened buildup around the valve closure points. When the PCS17, potential for buildup due to constant syrup contact is eliminated, guaranteeing leakage-free closure on your lines. The PCS17 also ensures zero leakage through its unique drop-in next-generation cartridge seats. Instead of a rubber rope seal that is pushed around the perimeter of the valve seat, the drop-in cartridge seat is a durable, one-piece complete perimeter seal that offers zero downstream leakage in the closed position. Another feature of the PCS17 Knife Gate design is the wiper bar located on the drop-in valve cartridge. When the valve is brought from open to close, the gate passes through the wiper bar, cleaning the gate of the syrup residue. This prevents syrup buildup from freezing the gate and making additional cleaning of the valve unnecessary. The PCS17 also makes cleaning the syrup line itself much easier. When it comes time to clean the line, simply open up the valves and you have completely unobstructed pipe, allowing for an easy and complete hydro cleaning. Due to the valve's full port design, you can also pig your lines, which is a more thorough cleaning process that is not possible when the butterfly valves are installed. The last benefit we will talk about is installation. The PCS17 is a drop-in replacement for existing butterfly valves. It has the same face-to-face dimensions and can typically be bolted in line without any piping modifications. The valve is bidirectional, allowing for flexibility of installation. It is also ready for automation. It can be paired with a pneumatic or an electric actuator, or rigged with a positioner for control by a 4 to 20 milliamp signal. In terms of application, the SERP line is not the only location that can benefit from the PCS17. In dry grind ethanol plants, the valve can be used in syrup tanks, thin stillage lines, centrifuges, and corn oil lines. Within wet milling biorefineries, it is a great fit at the bottom of a steep tank or corn oil lines. Due to the valve's simple design and versatility, there are many applications within your plant that can derive value with its usage. Today we have covered the pains associated with butterfly valves and the SERP line and how the PCS17 Knife Gate Valve can alleviate those pains. We have seen how the design, maintenance, and the ease of installation of the valve make it a simple solution with a big impact on your SERP lines. For more information on the PCS17 Knife Gate Valve, please visit our website, stovercontrols.com, or call our office and request a quote. I'm Brandon Rick with Stover Controls. Thanks for watching.